Oh. Well, I couldn't just go get the mail without throwing the ball, so let's throw the ball for the dog. Come on, dude. This is like his favorite thing ever. Sit. Race your dog for $5. Sit. It's an untutorial. No, it's not going to be. Ooh, stickers and instructions. Probably the hose clamps. Ooh. Dude, that's a big ass cone. Dry as a bitch. But we'll get it installed and all that. So and it's all laid out nice. So this is the whole set. And documentations for the unit. Some pictures and shit. I'm giving you 7 reasons how I'm gonna fuck this up. But everybody else, no problem. If you're a mechanic, 3 hours. Normal person, 15 minutes.
Hey, that's a bullshit.
This is gonna come off, this is gonna come off, this shit's all gonna come off, so. Fucking 10mm. One-handed. One-handed shit. 10mm challenge, y'all. Disconnect the battery first. Jesus Christ. One exhaust, it already sounds good as fuck, but now it's gonna sound good, so at least it'll make you think the shit's going faster. Fuck around and put a dyno in this garage and we'll be really getting some shit. Look like a fucking real one. I was looking like a dumbass with that flathead. See how I put them man hands on there like that? Everything is nice and straight up. Man, it reroutes this to over here. Like shit. I'm very, very impressed with this, except for there's a fucking hole right there and I don't know what the fuck that is. Engine cover mounting stud. So I could put the fucking engine cover back on. So I gotta remove it from the old. We done, people. Alright, so I put some vice grips just on the very top because I couldn't find. If you ever run into the problem where you have to pull a stud out or a bolt, put a nut on and then another nut and then Do it. Do the double nut. There we go. Oh shit. Now we gotta line this motherfucker up so the top cap goes on. Ain't that about a bitch? Wowza. Okay, no bullshit. I can feel that in the gas pedal. Even though I had a couple things, I'm gonna go take it for a little quick test drive, so let's see. Alright, so I know that video was a little rough. A little rough around the edges. I lost a bunch of footage. I don't know where the fuck that is. But consider subscribing. Please like the video. I'm gonna get better at this. Bear with me. It's all good. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you on the next run. Hopefully it's better next time. I mean, you gotta get better with the more you do it, right? I mean, I watch YouTube videos that are fucking awful, so who knows? Anyway, we'll see you next time, y'all. Peace.